Well guys, I'm back filming in Miami Beach and I hope you like this short video. Also, I want to remind you that I'm going to be publishing more content and less reels. I really hate the reels or the shorts, how they call it here, and I think that in my case I'm a person that likes to see the yachts in a whole picture. So if you like yachts, boats and powerboats, subscribe to the channel. More videos will be uploaded daily, and if you're a yacht lover like I am, then subscribe. If not, then you are in the wrong channel. So again, thanks for watching and more videos coming daily. Thanks again.